and wide, two frogs, Jack and Mark, reside. Jack was bold and full of pride. Mark was cautious, never lied. One bright morning in the sun's warm glow, a red kangaroo hopped to and fro. Is it safe to cross? He asked with cheer. Jack said, yes, dive right in, have no fear. But Mark shook his head, his voice full of dread. The current's too strong, you will be swept. Not heeding the warning, proud kangaroo leapt, only to find that his legs were inept. Later that day, a small possum drew near. Is it safe to cross the river, I fear? Mark said, it's too risky, please stay away. But Jack said, with a beam, you'll be okay. With hope in her heart, Posse took a leap, but soon she was caught in water so deep. Before they could blink, they saw her being swept, and the brothers knew that it was their misstep. Then a platypus, looking angry, did rise. What's causing these tragedies? Open your eyes. Mark confessed, we argue, we fight on who can cross and who just might. Enough, cried the platypus, end this fight, your brothers, your bond needs to be tight. Work together with wisdom, with foresight, or more will be lost to the river's might. As evening fell, an old wombat strolled by. Is it safe to cross? I'm eager to try. Now Jack and Mark knew they had to be wise, so joining their strengths, a plan they devised. Jack led the way, Mark swam on the side, guiding Wombi through the rising tide. Together they swam, steady and true, and safely old Wombi made it through. Through mistakes and lessons, the brothers at last learned unity is strength, with power so vast. With teamwork and love, together and steadfast,